This is my Rubik's Cube. About 4 years ago, I had a coworker who offered to show me how to solve a Rubik's Cube, so I went out and bought this one. This is my very first Rubik's Cube. I'm actually going to retire it. This is my last performance, and I thought for nostalgic reasons I would record it and show anybody out there interested that I can do it. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that can do it, but it's just something I like to do. Relaxes me anyway. But I got to get a new cube because this one's starting to wear down. I got the colors starting to go in some places. The stickers are all screwed up and all over the place, and they're starting to peel a little bit. So whenever I have this out on the coffee table or on my desk and a friend or family member comes over and they say, "Oh, I see what you did. You just gave up and peeled the stickers off and put them back in order." So what I do is I give it to them. I tell them, "You just go ahead and mix that up for a few minutes, and I'll solve it for you." And I'll show you how I did it if you want. I actually taught my sister a few years back how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And so once in a great while we'll get together, whenever we're hanging out or whatever. And if it's available and I got my stopwatch handy, we have little competitions to see who can do it the fastest. My personal average is about 4 minutes. And my fastest time is 2 minutes and about 15 seconds. I don't exactly remember, but it was somewhere around there. And we both agree that the hardest part about solving the Rubik's Cube is mixing it up, because once you know how to solve it, it is almost impossible to get the cube mixed up enough to satisfy you from a challenge standpoint. You always feel like, oh, well, this is going to be too easy to solve it, So I usually have my little routines I go through when I'm mixing it up. And I think that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started for you and see if I can do this for you in under 5 minutes. This thing's getting so old that sometimes it's hard for me to move the pieces around. Okay. There you have it.